We make the streams louder.
What's up guys, this is Dinesh and I'm going to show you my reaction in this I'm going to show you my reaction in this video, which name Sexy Car Wash. It's a cartoon video and a funny video.
Stroke-a-my, lick-a-my, suck-a-my cock. Stroke-a-my, lick-a-my, suck-a-my cock. It's the first time for you, so here's what you do.
Yeah. So let's see guys. Boom.
Thanks!
Really? $25 is steep for a car wash. You ladies must be thorough. Which is great because I just drove through a whole heap of bugs about 10 miles back. Yeah, pretty nasty.
That's okay. I love bugs. See?
Well, thank you.
Oh shit.
Y'all do roadkill?
Right here, buddy.
Roadkill.
Whoa! Dang! Well, hello, ladies! Ow! I'll take one sexy car wash. Hold the car wash.
Is there a problem here?
$2. Wiggle. This video was okay. Thanks for watching this video guys. Hope you like the video and please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video guys and hope you like the video. Please subscribe. Hope you like the video guys. Don't forget to share. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video guys. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe.